Hi, and welcome to this episode of TankLogic's Portal Help. In this tutorial, we look at editing users in User Site Management 2.0. As the page opens, we see the three gray buttons at page top left. Let's click Edit User. As we click this, a radio button list with all the users in the company is on page left. This list can be sorted by first or last name, and it can also be filtered by username or first or last name. Let's select the user we created in the previous tutorial video, Jackie Sample. Now let's change Jackie's address and time zone. Let's also elevate her role to admin, giving her all secondary roles and continuous site assignment to yes. We'll take a quick look at the buttons along the bottom panel. The Save User Edits button permanently writes user changes to the database. The Discard User Edits button will just remove form field information from the page. It does not write or remove anything in the database. Reset User Password. This will generate a random strong password and email to the email address on file for this user. At that point, the user will need to log back in and will be asked to change the random password to something only they will know. Remove all alarms from user. This will remove all alarm assignments from this user, including email, text, and voice alarms. Delete user. The user will be permanently removed from the portal, and all alarm assignments for this user, including email, text, and voice alarms, will also be removed. Let's save Jackie's edits. Below in the grid, we will also see that change reflected. We can see that the time zone has been changed. Let's now bring up John for editing. We'll change some of his stuff. Let's change his cell phone carrier. And let's change his city from Midland to Austin. After changing this, we decide, no, we're not going to change any of his information after all. So we can press the Discard User Edits button, and everything will be back to the original. And finally, returning to Jackie, we are going to reset her password. We also are going to remove all alarms from her. And finally, we decide to remove her from the portal. And that's it for the introduction to User Site Management 2.0. We hope this helps. Thank you for watching.